Hello, myself is Bharat Kumar and I am from RD Institute of Engineering and Technology. My project is based on brain tumor detection using Matlab image processing. Here, the abstract tells us about the tumor detection and removal is one medical issue that still remains challenging in the field of biomedicine. The CT and MRI imaging techniques helps the surgeons in providing a better vision. In this paper, tumor image processing involves three stages, namely pre-processing, segmentation and morphological operation. After the acquisition of the source image, it is pre-processed by converting the original image to grayscale. In addition, high-pass filter for noise removal and median filter for quality enhancement is provided, which is followed by enhancement stage. The above proposed methodology is helpful in generating the reports automatically in less span of time, and advancement has resulted in extracting many inferior parameters of the tumor. And when it comes to the keywords, we use MRI, CT and Matlab. Introduction. Tumor is defined as the abnormal growth of cells. Brain tumor is an abnormal mass of tissue in which cell grows and multiply uncontrollably, seemingly unchecked by the mechanisms that control normal cells. The symptoms of brain tumor depend on the tumor size, type and location. Some common symptoms of brain tumor we know about: headache, nausea and vomiting, changes in speech, vision or hearing. MRI is a magnetic resonance imaging is a type of scan that uses strong magnetic fields and radio waves to produce detailed images of the inside of the body. An MRI scanner is a large tube that contains powerful magnets. You lie inside the tube during the scan. When it comes to the problem statement, in today's world, one of the reason in rise of mortality among the people is brain cancer. For detection of brain tumor, first we have to read the MRI image of brain and then we apply the segmentation of the image. Proposed system tells us about the automated defect detection in medical imaging using Matlab image processing has become the emergent field in several medical diagnostic applications. Its application in the detection of brain tumor in MRI is very crucial as it provides information about abnormal tissues which is necessary for planning treatment. And furthermore, if computer algorithms can provide robust and quantitative measurements of tumor depiction. In this project, software requirements are operating system we use supported by Windows 7, 8, 10 and Mac, and packages NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, lib and CMake. Coding language we use Python, front end Keras and back end is TensorFlow. In this we use hardware requirements such as processor, RAM and hard disk. The module tells us about the identifying the brain tumor. Here we have tool consists of 4 modules: symptoms and medical test input, brain image input module, brain detection module and reporting module. When it comes to the symptoms and medical test input, module is provided to provide the symptoms and medical test results as input to the system. The authoritative user enters symptoms of patient and medical test result in the specified SC reads respectively, and a report library in Python is used to generate the medical reports in the form of PDF which displays the symptoms entered. Brain image input module tells us about the module provides different brain images as input to the system. These images are stored in an image file system. The file system will be stored at the specified location. The location will be fed as input to the system through graphical user interface screen. Brain detection module is used to analyze and identify the brain. This module aims to identify the brain tumor, and the tumor is detected using the image cascading algorithm and programmed in Python using NumPy and CV2 packages. Reporting module is the last module that depicts the output is the reporting module. Report lab algorithm is used to generate the report based on symptoms and test result of the patient. This algorithm uses report lab library from Python. Report lab is time proven, ultra robust, open source engine for creating complex data driven PDF documents and custom vector graphics. And this is the output of the tumor. And in the first picture we don't have a tumor, and second picture we have white layer which is a tumor. When it comes to the conclusion, the project is useful to identify the diseases affected areas based on patient symptoms, test results and MRI images. The project is very useful to the patients who can't go for regular medical checkups because of high medical expenses. The project is also useful to the doctors as they need not remember the details about each and every disease. When it comes to the future enhancement, we use this system is considering only few symptoms, but there are many other symptoms that cause brain cancer, and depending on the symptoms, the patient have to proceed for test. It can be improved further by considering more symptoms and test results. In this system, the brain cancer is detected using image processing. In future, the brain tumor can be detected using image sequences. And thank you.